Good morning, Glam Fam. I just dropped Kylan and Karsyn off at the airport. They're heading to London for a family event. And unfortunately, I couldn't go because I already had a few commitments scheduled before this trip even came together. So for the week, it's just me. This is actually the first time both of them have been away at the same time for an entire week. I've traveled without them before, and Kylan has traveled before, but this feels a little different. I figured the best way to start my morning was to get outside, get some fresh air, and get my steps in before heading back home because it looks a little like it could potentially storm later. The way the clouds look, I don't know, but I'll check the weather when I get home. After my walk and getting my steps in, I needed this long shower, and a little time in the sauna sounds just as perfect. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do after this shower. While I am letting my hair absorb a lot of the water before I start to do my hair, I'm going to have some tea and watch the news because I just heard some thunder. So it's definitely about to rain.
In the evening hours, but the heaviest rainfall on Monday will occur between about 2 and 5 p.m. So smack dab for our evening commute. So if you're going to be on the roadways, you may want to take some extra precautions. And even after 5 p.m., you want to keep that rain gear handy because those moisture chances will linger around evening into the evening hours and then into the overnight hours.
It's time to do my hair, and detangling when your hair is growing out and it's curly, it is the hardest part. So I try to prepare my hair for detangling by making sure that I put conditioner in it, make sure it's hydrated, which is why you saw me using a water bottle again, and just hydrating my hair. And then I'm gonna put some conditioner in it and another hydration cream to make it easy to detangle. I can tell a difference in my hair. I've been taking the Black Girl vitamins for a little while, and I can tell in my skin and my hair. It's starting to look amazing. I am very new to Love Island, but this is a very interesting show.
Nobody picked me. You feel me? Let's not forget that part.
We didn't know you.
We
What are
didn't.
you
You didn't
talking
know me.
about?
You didn't know me.
We didn't know
You
you.
didn't know me.
What are you
But no, I
talking
understand
about,
that,
Casey?
but it's a big no.
I
But
picked you every time. I picked you. With the letters, I picked you. Here, I picked you. You didn't pick me. You didn't pick me. And I picked you every time.
Well, there is the thunder. We know that it's raining, but it's not gonna stop me because I've got some things to do today, so I'm gonna take you all with me. One thing that I love to do to romance my life is skincare. I am absolutely obsessed with doing skincare in the morning and in the evening. Outside of taking your vitamins, this is amazing for your skin. Don't ever doubt topicals because topicals can really penetrate the skin and really do amazing things. But you know, the most important thing that I love about it, it gives me this feeling like there's nothing greater than feeling like you're taking care of yourself and taking time and giving yourself grace and just enjoying those moments and really romanticizing your life and your routines. These days, that's exactly what I'm going to continue doing because it makes me feel amazing. So here is my outfit of the day for me to run errands. This outfit is so comfortable and cozy, and I think it fits well for the rain outside, okay? So this outfit, the entire thing is from Pink. I will leave the information in the description box, but it goes well with my Kale cargo Hermes bag. My shoes are very comfortable from Flight or Fleet. Not really sure how they pronounce it, but it's in the description box. So yeah, I'm ready to go. Let's go weather this storm. I needed to pick up some packages and also ship off one for Miss Serene, actually. Miss Serene is in Colorado and she asked me to do some things for her. So, yeah. So I decided to go back home and leave the packages there. I didn't want them to be in the vehicle because you just can't trust, leaving your stuff in the vehicle even while it's raining. So I switched cars and now I'm at Dollar Tree and I need to pick up some things because I want to clean and have some products. But I'm also thinking already about decorating and arranging my house for the fall season. Yes, I am that far ahead. So I'm looking at some decor items and checking out what I could pick up. And you never want to underestimate what you can make look expensive for just $1. So the rain stopped, or it slowed down, shall I say. And I could not believe the ladies at the flower market was still open. So I came over to grab some flowers. I love Flower Refresh at home. And this is my favorite flower florist shop to come to grab a bouquet of flowers that fit my aesthetic and the perfect energy. So I went ahead and made a decision, but I'm not going to cook tonight. I was going to cook and stay in, but instead, I started braiding my hair up and I melted down my wig cap. I'm going to put a wig on and I'm going to take myself out to dinner. So tonight, it's a solo date. Me, myself, and you. You are coming with me. So let's get dressed. I am fully dressed. I am wearing a beautiful dress from Vanilla Bay, and I'm about to put on my Soulless His Oath and Her Promise fragrance set. It smells so good. If you want to smell delicious, listen, nobody can bypass you without saying something about this perfume. So here's the whole outfit. I threw on a little overcoat over my shoulders, put my hat on because I don't know if it's going to rain or not, and got my bag, and let's go to Kimchi for dinner. I've made it to Kimchi restaurant, and when I tell you, Miss Cox took amazing care of me at Kimchi. I enjoyed the entire experience. It was a lovely atmosphere. I had a VIP table, which means it was reservations that were made. I called ahead of time, and she placed me in a very nice section. The food was chef kiss, and I had an amazing night. Thank you to Miss Cox over at Kimchi of Luxury Eats for this amazing, amazing solo date.